Today I'm going to talk about how to get started teaching English abroad. I know most of you are clueless in the field when you are thinking about how to teach English abroad, what to do, where you should go, what qualifications you need, and etc. And today I'm going to clarify most of those points, if not all. Okay, so in order to get started on your quest of how to get rich teaching English, ladies and gentlemen, you must first know a few things. Step 1, ensure that you are in fact a native English speaker. Being a native English speaker is highly important if you want to teach English abroad, and especially if you want to teach English at a good school and make a good salary and get tons of private lessons and get rich teaching English. Step 2, ensure that you have the minimum degree, which is basically a 4 years bachelor's from any accredited university in your country for any language school, private school, grade school, high school, etc. Master's degrees or PhDs are required for teaching English at universities abroad in most cases. Asia usually does require a master's degree or PhD if you do want to teach at a university. Please note that if you do not have a degree, then you must contact me directly and I can give you some top secret advice. You will have to consult with me through one of my consultation services that I do offer. Step 3, ensure that you have no visible tattoos on your hands, face, or neck. I don't even have to explain why, guys and gals. You know why it is, of course. Step 4, ensure that you know everything and anything about the English language. It's another given. You must know about the language if you're going to teach it. Step 5, ensure that you are willing to give up your present boring life and move abroad to start a new life. Step 6, ensure that you are able to and willing to relocate and accept new cultures and environments. Step 7, ensure that you read, follow, and implement everything that is written in my book and via my consultation services if you partake in them. Step 8, ensure that you are willing to work hard, make tons of money, and have loads of fun while living and teaching abroad. Step 9, ensure that you have an immaculate resume. If you don't have an immaculate resume, contact me. I do provide resume, cover letter, reference, edit, revamp services, so I can take care of that problem for you. Step 10, ensure that you are willing to stay abroad for at least a few years minimum in order to have everything work out well for you. If you want to make tons of money in a short period of time, it's going to take at least 2 to 3, sometimes even 5 years. Okay? Step 11, ensure that your kit clothing is in perfect order, formal business attire, casual, smart casual, and so on. Do be aware of the country that you're going to. If there's 4 seasons, you need 4 different types of kit and clothing. If you're coming to a hot country like Thailand or elsewhere in Southeast Asia, you pretty much just need thin, formal business attire. Step 12, start hitting the gym and getting into tip-top shape, ladies and gentlemen. Trust me, it matters. Looks are not everything but the only thing when you're teaching English abroad, because you are the center of attention and everybody wants to look at a nice, slim, trim, muscular, fit male, female teacher. They don't want to look at a slob who's, dressed like a clown. Okay. Also, a nice, hot, and sexy, or even average male or female student will in fact love to look at a nice, hot, and sexy male or female teacher while they're being taught English, of course. It just makes sense, and that's how life is. Always be your best and always look your best. Step 13, look healthy. How? Eat healthy. You are in fact what you eat, guys and gals. You know that. Step 14, give up smoking and drinking if you can. It wrecks your body and ages you like crazy. Not to mention you'll save tons of money. I'm in my 30s and I look 20. Why? How? I exercise daily. I take good care of myself. I eat good foods. I dress well. I don't drink and I don't smoke. Also, no classy student anywhere in the world wants to smell the stench of smoke or alcohol emanating from their teacher. Okay, guys, there you have it. If you have any questions, get in touch with me on my contact form. Check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com. If you haven't got my book yet, do get it. Don't forget also to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll be seeing you soon. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Until then, peace out.